Me hear me get fi understand say they have Lady V. All the call Bob. You see the last call when me make sure tell you this. You see the last call where you call Lady V last week or week before last. Lady V tape you. Lady V tape you, Bob. Can me hear it. Lady V tape you and play it, make me hear. You come here too, cause everybody are going in this party here. Lady V tape you. When Lady V call you the morning, for clear her name, she tape you. And play about the voice note where you have stuck upon. The last call where your Lady V call you, Lady V tape you and play it, let me hear. For clear her name, she tape you. Bob, she tape you. You hear me, I tell you? Cause Lady V watch it tape you. Remember me tell you the last conversation where you and her have the last one. When she call you, she tape you. You see the message then, that's why I say Ashanti to me, they go blame him. Well, Lady V contact Lorraine about the money. When she contact Lorraine about the money, when she send go give Ashanti when she did at the post office. When she send go, she send it right to me. Lorraine, the message where you send to her, she send it to me. And she tell me that she send it to Ashanti. So me don't know how Ashanti could have come out. Lady V, if you have any secret when me attack to festive, come out here. I'm tell you now again, every blogger wanna call her and attack to her. Mojo, you too. You call her about a month ago. I ain't gonna say what she say, you say. What the woman name the way ma, everybody, when you name Alien, you call her and him tell me, but I ain't gonna say what he say, who no say. But who know where they call her? Who know where they call her? Lady when they go meet with her, she give the 50 US. We tell her the things them. We tell her the things them, but who for phone I get take away. Be careful. I ain't gonna talk. More Joe, more Joe, more Joe, more Ross Joe. Let more Joe call him. Lady them over Atlanta. We call about the Dundus and the lamp. And me not take no call. Me not take no call. The Lady V call me name and a money big. Nobody can control me. Me not take no call. I ain't taking no call. Tell the pastor be very careful because you carry I go show our people yard. Who no must know if me a tell lie or me a talk truth. Helene. Me I go come out, but I ain't gonna talk because I say me only come out here for one people. Who don't want listen will hear. Lady when you down at Jamaica, we call her and tell her the laugh of your niece beat you and tell her where she did know say where you never where you tell her say. But something come to my mind because me hear Stacy say last night so the lady did not call her too. So Lady V talk to the lady underneath the choir too. Cause sitting on alright. Why would Stacy say they call them come why be a Lady V tell me so she call Stacy and she send Stacy one voice note and Stacy listen to the voice note and don't answer. Here Stacy say last night so she know what me the voice note them. Here Stacy say she know what me the voice note there. So come no contact me no in a no bangarang with nobody. Who run to you for comfort like myself? And lady no she make you never carry your granddaughter go Jamaica. Because she say the people them are gonna know say you scam. Me didn't know say you not did the phone from when now when till you did that till she start ball. So come now contact what kind of money bangarang me and you in a come out here. Where Gracie call you and did say to you one time, the lady did say Gracie call her every week. Gracie, what you did call her and tell her say, now look no friend from you. Oh, me could have didn't know say you and Gracie. Oh, me could have didn't know say you and Gracie attack. Well on the people. Marry dog them turn security, nobody can come here to me. Then I want me and them up and favor see how them live it. Then little and tall like little bit and tall like a. Yes, so when time on the talk, be very careful. Me not to come out here and tell a lie upon you. The lie where you tell me because people me did have to know where this thing I go. Look how Matlock dragged me. Me and you did whole argument about Matlock. Me and you did whole argument about Matlock. As God over my head, me tell you say Ashanti and Matlock fall out. As God, oh, of course me come to you, of course me vent. Me tell Ashanti say me talk. Me talk Ashanti but me talking good. Me never know say this 15 group did link to my son. 15 people in a group did link to my son. Right there. You have everything record and you have everybody pan voice to. Remember you know, when Cartoon did call you. When Cartoon did call you, with it no, then they put Cartoon on the phone to apologize to you. When then they put Cartoon on the phone to apologize to you, remember, so you tell me say a security company because Bob said him walk well left the phone, Festive walk well left the phone and Michelle they got pissed. Now so you tell me say Michelle Bradshaw says nobody never hear a Cartoon. And you say a security you walk from and send screen get the part and send it to Lorraine over on WhatsApp with the cartoons. Yeah, so you tell me. If so, you tell me, say, to the things that I shan't tell you from the first time. Don't you say that put them out, but I tell you put them out. Me tell you put them out. Who carry over the people them yard? How comes my name a lead to festive? How comes? Me did mention about your daughter. Me did mention about your daughter. Me never know say a teacher can call up on her vacation, you know. And they tell us when time she come, she fix things, you know. I never know. Cause me no know who I call you, but you can't tell nobody say me call you. Cause you call my phone, me never call you. All along, me say I just talking, me never know say you go so deep. And we prove you to be with two women, especially the one where you go talk, say the woman name call up. And the woman name never call up. And you go tell the woman say her name call the first time. You go tell the woman a marking university paper. Me know that woman the long time. So me not have no reason. The woman swear panning. The woman say all in grandpitney them if they come because I'm go get more. And every grandmother because me can't tell you for me grandmother loves well loved by for me. And for me mother love for me first son. When me tell you say that the woman there, he love my son with the adopt cat. How Ashanti can come out and say 13 tell him nothing about you? How Ashanti cannot come out? Me could have tell Ashanti things about you about Lady V. Me dey on phone with enough time and hear things. Me could have talk, me don't tell Ashanti, me don't tell nobody. Me don't tell nobody. When Stacy do the life, cause me a big woman, you know. And Stacy still never go into details, and me never go into details. Cause I'm telling you something to people. Stacy is a one alone soldier. When Stacy did the live and said she want to thump me in my back, I reach out to Stacy, and when Stacy say, me nothing on me love me what you know what me do me too enough. I too blood clot enough. I want a lick in my blood clot back for you. I want somebody thump me in my back. I called Stacy. I reach out to Stacy. And I said to Stacy, Stacy, you hurt Lady V because what happened, I explained the situation. And Stacy was giving me to but me say at that time I never paid no mind because Stacy said one, not that Mr. Stacy said one thing with me, because again, the whole time I feel guilty for no say Ashanti over there I drag Lady V. And I drag the daughter. I don't know how me feel about Lady V daughter. And that will never change. I will never mention, even though she mentioned about my dead son, I will not. I will never do that. That is off limit for me about the daughter. That is off limit for me about the little girl. When me tell her say it is off limit for me, I will never go down that road. So when me see where Ashanti do Lady V real bad. When me tell her say Ashanti do Lady V bad, him do Lady V bad. And I felt guilty for no say and me bring this lady, even though she might talk about what she talk about. Me say me feel guilty for no say and me make Ashanti a drag her. And me and Lady V the pan phone, me and Lady V dead, me and Lady V the pan phone. Even about the last straw people was the part because Lady V, everybody Lady, last somebody where Lady V tell me about a Mojo. Say Mojo call her. Mojo call her. When me done the live because my son gone with him phone, my son gone, me don't know where my gym bout. I don't know where boy a gym bout. Gone a gym. After him, me not think him a come now. After gym, him go at tennis. Me don't know where him a gym bout. Me don't know where him me don't know what him want. Me don't know what him want most about. Go suck your mama. Me pitney them did half limit for Tina. Ya and Tina come suck out my pussy hole when time it want wash. You and blood clot Tina. Go suck out to no mama. Me dey tell big thinking dirty nasty water hole Tina. For me done it over ya. Tina and him blood clot daughter. Go name out them mama bumbo pussy blood clot. Me not tap come off a Tina and him pitney. Them no blood clot off limit. Me had a phone there at the shop. Me don't ever go pick it up yet, then soon sell it. But Tina and Tina can lick out my body hole when me done shit. But Tina daughter, uno move uno dirty blood clot and go away. Me did blood clot tell Tina to come off of me and me pick them one in teeth in fact. Uno move move up. Uno a so good lick out body hole Tina. Move up uno thinking dirty underprivileged one be a dollar down. Thinking booger looking sick. Uno go away. Back to regular business. So now, all along me feel guilty now with Lady V say Ashanti a jagger. Never know say appear like a Lady V is a snake. Cause all along, you know, when me go draw this Stacy argument now, when somebody contact me no one say Stacy I go do an interview with Ashanti. I say and me up mash up, distance them. Frank, she never called coming out, she never called Dr. Love name to because Dr. Love did alive but her daughter. I never know say last night me a hear pan Stacy live. Lady V told me again. Sophie Dunkley called her to say that she called Stacy Campbell to ask Stacy Campbell why she don't defend her daughter, and Stacy Campbell says she's not getting involved. And she says things to me, but I will not gonna talk it because I say I don't want to get Stacy in mix up. So oh no, you're gonna come out and make it look like I do you wrong. Me have all person will stand up for your daughter. Me have all person will sit down with you. So who ungrateful? Who come and clear it up? People reach out to me 13, me say no. People, they ever, me say no. The little girl, me I look upon the fact where the little girl was raped. Me I look upon the fact, and Lady V, you couldn't give me. I want to become a black and ugly and hungry. I'm not living in a big house. I'm not there with liar, man. I'm not there with liar, man. Me never asked you half for my money for my son's funeral. Even when Ashanti talk the Western Union told you say a lie Ashanti I tell. Cause you only said to him so that's the last conversation where you and Ashanti have. Was when you said to Ashanti say you don't know what me and you have. You don't know what me and you have. If I because you say you now go Western Union but you say you don't relate to the woman with the money with the t-shirt from down a Montego Bay. People, what a lucky thing. I'm even say to her. Can you see me? Lady V call me. I'm say she about stores and stuff is shop over here. Cause she say her man, I want woman always got Panama something. Should I want some things from over here for put in her shop. I said to Lady V, say, cause me attack everything, can you see me? Nobody now come here come tell no lie for me make me look like say, cause me not get nobody for nothing where they have. And when Lady V call me, but this is the thing, Lady V call me, me never call Lady V. Me not push up on people. Me stay in a me struggle lane. Me like my company. I said to Lady V said to me that she was going to send money come here. I said to her, I said that say, no. Make her take the picture then first. I send come and I said to her, Lady V, most of the store them in a town, them have to store on the zone. So you not have to send no money come here, come give me. You not have to send no money come here, come give me for buy anything. I will give you the people them store number and take the picture and anything you send them your money direct. Because that she even bust out a laugh. Me say you can't send money come the hungry people. So therefore, Lady V said to me, say somebody must did come a carousel when me and I did kick off about this money argument with me name. Said somebody did come a carousel and she was calling me for go meet up with man. What a lucky thing say me never did go because to say maybe I did somebody for come kill me because to say see like how you say you did that on phone and you just say you will take people life because you hate me. So people me not come off a Lady V, me not have no vengeance against Lady V, me have to clear my name. Why Lady V should never mention about my picnic. Only Lady V wants the comment where Ricardo comment and say condolence. Only Lady V one see the comment. All because it not come in, all because it don't come out past social media. How many have to beg no money for bury my picnic? Me glad when time me and my family them didn't have my family bangarang. Me call and me ball, me never call if I talk to them like how you said the lady did a call if I beg if I talk to her daughter. Not if I put her out. Lady V, don't get me out. Don't do it. Me couldn't know who I call you. I could not know who call you all. What the woman name? What's your name? The one where you meet from Canada, the admin. The one who go on like step over the platform. What the woman call you and tell her say, can everybody call you? But again, for you did carry the woman with the down at Jamaica from Florida, the elderly lady. Tori come tell me, I'm sit down and listen. Thank God me never drag her. Cause I'm a first get that woman there. All that me no know where Shanti and Matlock take you up for. Cause they was not for Matlock. Me never beg no money. Me no know nothing about Matlock and Matlock pick me there. Matlock she too damn enough to her outer order. And the lady me did a refer to cause the lady did over upon him platform and drag me. Thank God. Me never did say nothing about it. And the daughter me blame. The daughter me even say. How the daughter know say the man? How the daughter know say the woman and the man cousin? How me never did I go put out my mother. Cause bad to bad. Talk so me say so. Me say the woman as she had the foundation for them to reach there. So what me say? If Ashanti wish it out, the son reach out to Ashanti. And when the mix up start, Ashanti never want to send no money. Go give the son. I'm a beg Ashanti more than one time to send money for the son eat. That, yes, me say so. I no regret doing it. Me no regret doing it. When me wrong, me should have never take that before they call from you. Now you come play innocent. Me and you ain't no money problem. You tell lie. Pa me tell you something. You know, me see people and make it and somebody tell me no want to draw the people in it. Sometimes you see you hear people talk. And you see people, you know what I'm doing in a life with two bias. There was a blogger on here where said then tell Lady V something and Lady V talk. And Lady V, well, God make me feel it. If I'm, hey, God make me feel it. Nothing what Lady V say, no hurt me. My son, when she talks to me in a group and collect money. When all my family them hear all this now. Send me in a group and collect money. Lady V, me tell her something. Me and my family them, me are the bagger one. And one auntie when me have, she will just tell me, say me bagger and cuss me and block me for 24 hours and then she unblock me. Me have one other auntie when time I start, she cry. My mother the same thing. Me are the only drunker. My mother will fix me nicely with words and tell me 2 words and me just shame and gone. I want to fool my eye. Lady V, me tell her this. I rather to live alone and struggle more than I live with man and I live dirty life. Me no live dirty life. Me no live concubine life. Remember me tell you that. Me no pretend, me no polish. I saw it go. All wanna not tell lie for me, cause me talk already. Some of the things they wanna hear about me out here true. Some of them the story mix up and some of them me no know about none. Nobody can beat me. Everybody where you hold a conversation with. You say me can't talk it last night. You say Stacy Cameron like the lady. You say such man over there so not like the lady. You say one of the such man from New York not like the lady. You say the same Ashanti they not like. What did you tell me say Ashanti tell you say with the whole incident about Chris or one go down and what did you tell me Ashanti tell you? What did you tell me? You say Ashanti, you say the lady, everybody not like the lady. You say me, everybody not like the lady. Nobody like the lady but you. You are the only one who like the lady. You are the only one who like the lady. Marco, me never go down a funeral at Jamaica. Me never go down to the funeral down in Jamaica. I don't know what contact you are mix up Adasa have. I don't know. Me don't know what picture mix up Adasa did send and me don't know what mix up Adasa did tell you say. All of we not like the lady. Everybody else, you have ticket for them. And you try to make it look like say you don't do anything. Look one simple conversation where you have with Bob. You tape the man and you play the recording make me hear. You tape the man and play the recording make me hear. The same two voice message where you see, that's why me can't tell you where you see Ashanti, the lady over there, so everybody a play. Remember you the play they make me hear. No me tap you, since you say no me tap you from come out and you dig up and say you want chit chat and observe on TV the depend 3-way call. All the night when you call chit chat did fi clear up. Cause me never believe say observe on TV did confess. You never call chit chat and me depend the other phone. Did you tell chit chat say me did depend the other phone and listening the Sunday night when you call her about observe on TV? Cause since me are the wicked out here, I'm not supposed to talk. When you tell me lie on people when me look up to, you know how me look up to that lady. You know how me look up to that lady. How you come and tell me a lie on the lady. How when you're done you go tell the lady lie. The lady name never calling and no mix up. Me could have known for the woman call you Jamaica and her Canadian number and spend 1.5 hours with your pan phone. You know say you have 3 numbers for the lady. I could know that. One thing me come for do, me come for give me warning. Who have ears to hear, take it from the fish where come out of the sea. All of the blogger them we talk to Lady V. Lady V said the whole of don't like 99. Be very careful. All of the followers them, Tete Pastor, Mojo, me I call on the name call on no brand. Mojo. What the woman name, alien the woman the name Ala Uno. Where my man the admin name she did meet at Canada. We call her Uno be very careful. If Uno cannot be good, Bob, you have been recorded. She tape you to the one where you have one time the clear up name. She tape you and play it, make me hear. Morning King, me soon come. She tape you and play it, make me hear. Who have ears to hear, let them hear. Be very careful. Me no bust a pipe yet, cause me not going cause me no bust a pipe. Me only come out to give me warning. Me only come out to give me warning. Me only come to give me warning. Cause everybody don't like everybody. Everybody. Everybody not like the lady. Then she go say, people, when me go, you listen to me. Everybody know me for this. Me go call her certain thing there. When you talk to people, you gonna know what kind. This is me. Me know what style to give, and that's why. Cause me have friend when me can't cuss bad word make them hear. Me have the one them when me can't smoke when them dead. If it's a drink we are all and we are eat, me can't smoke. I'm try to do that. I try to please people. I be one myself, but I saw me stay. So when me over Ashanti and me attack pan a tone, you believe say me I go over Dan I go talk with the same tone when me go pan Ashanti platform with? Make it make sense. Me go over Dan and go cuss bad word? No. The woman platform is not a bagger platform. So why would Lady V I go tell Ashanti say me no like Dana, me did I go cuss Dana. Lady V, if me have to cuss Dana, me come out here and rip it up and blood clot Dana and go, not like blood clot you share Dana and ball out and say it's not Dana you're talking. Me dep on my live. Not like the you. Not like you. Me go cut the live you come. Me see somebody I come. If me have to come back, me come back. Yeah. Not like you, me come back, people. If me have to cut, me not have no reason for cut. So when Dana wrong. Me never tell you so me come in a favor of nobody. You seem to have a problem with everybody whenever come out and defend your daughter. Me I go tell you one joke about, you know, for a long time Lady V I go on and she take me for idiot. When Cartel did get him, me I go tell you now one sweet joke with Lady V. A long time I sit down and me I watch Lady V. Now when you see me we play the game. When Cartel did get the date about him appeal, when the Privy Council date did announce, Lady V called me. Then they say March 14, 13 or whatsoever. Lady V called me And Lady V said to me, say, me did do one live. Me da do one live and me da talk normal and I talk about sex and so. Lady V called me, if you know who the pie and didn't know. Me think you don't talk about cartel. Because I say cartel called Tenniel. And I was like, what is this? I say when him come, Tenniel have to dead down the on stage with him. Tenniel have to dead down there. And she gone and she defend. So I was like, you have a platform why you never talk about. Never mind. And Tenniel, so I said to her, so I tell her something, I don't know what, but I know there's something going on. And it's what them care, and she got along and she defend. And I was like, you are defend cartel because him affiliate with your daughter. So what me to the victim? Yeah, we understand there's a good talent. And I suppose you hear how the woman go on. Suppose you hear how the woman go on. Go on. And I was like she never a cut Tenniel of it down the past stage and this and that. And I was like, I said, but wait. This not no class. Where the class there? You know, say, boy, cause me personally when me talk, when me say, two parents lose. But the DPP, they cook up the game and to feed them shit to work. Leg of the blood clean, man. Even about two parents. But at that moment, the motivational speaker speak to me. And she never give a word